Today we will learn how to create a user logout API. It will be a short video. First, open user-controller.js file in the controller folder. Scroll down to the bottom. Define a new asynchronous function named logout_user. Inside the function, calling response.cookie function to set token value to none. Set experience time equal to current timestamp. Don't forget to set HTTP only equal to true as well. Next step, return a response with the status code 200. It means successful. Following by a message, user has logged out. Next, add logout user API into root path. Open auth.js file. In the root folder, import logout user function from user controller file. Create a new root /logout set HTTP method to get, passing logout user function as a parameter. Next step, let's test it in Postman program. First, log in user with valid email and password. Next, check if get all products routes still works after user has logged in. Next, log out user. Enter URL HTTP localhost port number 4000 /API /v1 /logouts. Set HTTP method to get. Press send button. The response window shows user has logged out. Next step, check if get all products routes still works after user has logged out. The response window shows user must log in first. Today we have learned how to create user logout API. Next chapter we will learn how to implement user login, logouts, and authorize routes at the front end.